72nd pre-competitive skill test. I would like to make a few observations so that the Honorable Minister will make a note about the way in which these institutions are being run. Full stop. It is a good thing that these institutions have been started, full stop, but at the same time, we are suffering from lack of coordination in regard to our technical education, full stop. We have certain institutes like the Polytechnic, etc. under the Scientific Research and Cultural Affairs Ministry, and they are run through the state governments, full stop. Then, there are the engineering colleges under the universities, and thirdly, trade technical education is imparted by the Central Labor University at the state level, full stop. In addition to that, the states have certain arrangements of their own for technical education, full stop. I feel that there is no effort at coordination, and that leads to a good deal of confusion, full stop. New paragraph. Perhaps, if there is effort, there are certain difficulties, full stop. I hope the Honorable Minister will tell us about that, full stop. I would also like to suggest that, even in these four institutions, as for some time the medium instruction would be English, for emotional integration, an attempt should be made to take a few students from the neighboring region or other regions on a reciprocal basis, full stop. Otherwise, these institutes will themselves be developing, as was hinted by the previous speaker, some regional consciousness, full stop. There is great difficulty, with regard to technical personnel for teaching, and I am not aware in what way these institutes will be staffed, full stop. Perhaps some foreigners will be brought in, but at the same time, with the arrangements existing at present for taking technical help from different countries, Russia, UK, USA, and Germany, full stop. New paragraph. I do not know whether there will be special courses provided in these institutes, full stop, for the teaching staff from those different countries, what arrangements there are, one does not know, full stop. In the present arrangement for teaching, I should have liked to mention the fifth arrangement for teaching at present provided through the various industrial concerns, I like them, etc. All these big concerns have their big technical schools, and they take their students for postgraduate work as also for research work, full stop. What will therefore happen with regard to the standard is a question, full stop. We are not at all sure in our country about the correct use of terms, full stop. I would, for instance, mention here the word polytechnic, full stop.